Part 1. Fix iPhone Touch Screen Unresponsive by Force Restart. To force restart the device, you might need to enable the DFU mode device firmware upgrade mode, and all data on your iPhone will be erased, including the photos, contacts, music, notes, and etc. So make sure that you have the backup of your iPhone before the operation. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to computer with a USB cable and run the latest iTunes on PC. Step 2. iPhone 8 or later, press and release the volume up button, then press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side button until the screen goes black. For an iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus, press and hold both the sleep-wake button and the volume down button simultaneously for at least 10 seconds till you see the screen goes black. For an iPhone 6 seconds and earlier, iPad or iPod Touch, hold the home button instead of the volume down button, and the rest steps are the same. Step 3. After that, release the sleep-wake button, but still hold the home button or volume down button. Then you will receive a message from iTunes stating that iTunes has detected an iPhone in recovery mode. Step 4. At this time, release the home button or volume down button. Then your iPhone will go completely black. If not, please try again to enable DFU mode. Step 5. As long as you have enabled the DFU mode, click Restore iPhone on iTunes to make your iPhone get back to normal. Part 2. Fix iPhone Touch Screen Unresponsive without data lost. To fix the touch screen unresponsive issue of your iPhone without the risk of losing data, you can totally rely on the iOS system recovery. Step 1. Run the iOS system recovery on your computer and connect your iPhone to the PC with a USB cable. Then select the More Tool iOS system recovery once the program has detected your iPhone. Step 2. After that, the program will automatically detect the problems of your iPhone and shows the problem on the interface, like touch screen gets unresponsive, stuck at Apple logo, and etc. Then you might click Start button to go on. Step 3. Then you might be asked to confirm your iPhone information before clicking Repair button to start fixing the issue. That iPhone touch screen is unresponsive. If the information is not correct, just select the exact information manually before repairing. Note: please do not disconnect or operate your iDevice, or it may cause repair failure.